How to download FIFA 23 on iPhone. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Now before we get started, let me tell you guys that FIFA 23 is not really available for mobile devices. Now you can download games that are much similar to that game, so let us get started with that. First, head over to your app store. After you head over to your app store, simply go to and then search for FIFA 23. Search for FIFA 23. Get is this right here. Now the games that are much similar to it is EA Sport FC mobile football. Now as you can see right here, you can play this game. It's really fun, and even I play this. So you can download this or the other game that is called eFootball. Now this is also a really cool game. You can download it and start playing it. It's also really fun. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how you download and play games of such as FIFA 23 on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is all for today.